It is those basic items that some of us we don't take it serious. Not because we don't want to take it serious, or maybe we just don't think it doesn't really matter. If you really want to boost your hair and your skin confidence, I would recommend that you look into this item that I'm about to present today. Welcome back, ladies. How you're doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Yes, ladies, I know I'm talking about this item that you can use to boost your skin and your hair confidence, and the reason being that some of the pillowcases that we all use at home, some of them are made from polyester. Depending on the material that your pillowcase is made from, that will determine how your skin and your hair is going to react. You want to use something that will help you to maintain moisture in your hair and also to retain moisture on your skin while you're asleep. Initially, this is what I usually use, this one, and I can tell that even though this one is way cheaper than the one I'm about to present today, I'm not talking about the prices, but I just want to let you know that this, I can tell it's not soft, but even still I kept on using it. By the time I got this one from yanibest, I could tell the difference is so clear. The one from yanibest, I'm going to quickly go ahead and unbox it for you all to see. I received this first one. This one is called the Millennium Pink, and it's really beautiful. It's very soft. They are satin butter soft, very soft, and they will help you to retain moisture on your skin, also to prevent friction between your hair and your pillowcase, because they are made of satin that is very soft. And also the second one is champagne gold, and that one is the same size. They have them, it's the same, I mean it's going to do the same thing with the first one I just mentioned. They are both the same but different colors, and they do have them in king sizes, also in queen sizes, and they have other colors on their website, but today I feature the Millennium Pink and the Champagne Gold. Honestly, ladies, this is really soft. They feel so soft. They are buttery soft. I love it, and they are so beautiful. Look at that. This is the Champagne Gold, and this is the Millennium Pink. It has a hidden zipper at the side, on the side like this, and this is how it came out from the box. And you can see they're not even wrinkled, even though I just brought them out of the box. And also I like to use this in my living room when I want to watch TV. I like to have my pillow with me. I do take my pillow from my bedroom down to the living room when I want to just sit down and binge, like I really want to watch Netflix, like going those episodes. I like to take it to my living room and just lay down on the couch with it and just relax, because it's really soft. It's buttery soft. It's going to retain moisture in your hair, also on your face. It's going to retain moisture. So you may want to invest in this kind of pillowcase. They are not polyester made, they are satin butter soft. I would recommend that you look into them. By the way, I'm also wearing yanibest hair bonnets. I want to look into that too. It's very buttery soft. I would surely recommend that you look into them. This also, I can recommend it as a perfect gift that you can give out to your friends and family during this holiday season. I mean, who doesn't want a satin, buttery soft satin pillowcase? Ladies, please look into them. I'll put the link in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.